Question 22. So many. Enable the recommended TuneD profile on your system. All right, sure, let's go. Cool, so let's do all the steps. DNF install TuneD -y. Already installed, no surprises there. It should be, but if it isn't, systemctl -- now enable TuneD ADM profile. These are the options. Okay, let's check the recommended. Virtual guest, no surprises. Now we just do the profile. This is going to be running, making rain wet, but whatever. Systemctl restart TuneD and to confirm active. Yep, the recommended is the active one. That's pretty much it. Some extra edit points. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.